And I will be presenting my second project for CS 12. Um, I'll put my camera on the upper corner of the screen because I can't get it to work in a different format. So let me start by running the server. If I run the server, it takes me to this position. Here I have to enter my username and choose a category for the joke. In this case, I will be using programming, which displays this. Why does no one like SQL Relix? Keeps dropping the database. Yeah. If I try with a different category, Selenius, it would also work with a different um kind of objective. Well, that's the category. My wife is really mad at the fact that I have no sense of direction, so I back up myself. And then let's do one dark one to make sure it works. Someone regular competition, no matter what they do, they always. I don't know if that is allowed. Well, for the video. Um, sorry about that. And then let's go to the code. Let me see. So I'm in. Let me bring this over here. I'm importing Express and Axios, setting the app as Express so that is the default app, and then I'm setting the engine as EGS. I'm marking the static as the public folder. I'm rendering the index when nothing is passed to the path, and then once the user sends the input in the index, it will get into this one. Um, it will get the user name and the category. It will try to make an API call to this API, passing the category as one of the parameters, and then it takes these parameters out of the possible jokes. If the joke single, just print this. If it has a deliberate, then that one. If the joke has Chuck Norris in it, it will replace that with the username, and it would render the joke EGS. And then if this didn't work, then it will render the error AGS. And then this is just so that the output can be run on the local machine. And now this one just prints a pretty basic HTML to display the error message. And this one sends the user back to the original page, the index one. Here, I'm calling the CSS so that I can actually format my website. This one prints the header. I'm using a form that moves to the get joke, passing the parameters, well, the input that the user passes, um, which is the name and the category that they want to choose, and then they click submit, which is the button, and it takes them directly to the results, which is this one. This one just prints its joke for and the name of the user, and then it prints the joke at the end, and then here's a button so that they can get another joke. Um, that's pretty much it for this project. Thanks for watching.